Hi everybody, let's make a bookworm stuffed reading buddy. For this craft, you will need a sock without a match, googly eyes, cotton balls, pom-poms, glue, and pipe cleaners. First, you're going to start by stuffing your sock with cotton balls in order to make it a stuffy. Now that it's nice and stuffed, you're going to grab a small piece of string and just tie the bottom of the sock in order to secure all of the stuffing inside. Next, you can decorate your stuffed worm any way you like. I am gluing on some pom-poms in a pattern of my choice. You can do anything you want. You can wrap pipe cleaners around it. It's really up to you how you want your bookworm to look. Once you've attached all of the pom-poms, you're going to attach some googly eyes and a nose. The last step is optional, but as you can see, I'm taking a black pipe cleaner and I'm forming it into the shape of glasses and measuring it on the eyes of my bookworm. Once you get the right shape, you are going to glue them onto your worm. Wait for the glue to dry about 15 to 20 minutes, and now you can read with your stuffed bookworm reading buddy.